Sablés Bretons, French butter cookies. In a food processor, I'm gonna turn the almond meal and powdered sugar into fine powder. Then I'm going to cream the butter with the vanilla and the salt. Then I'm going to add the almond sugar mixture back in, give a few pulses, and then I'm going to throw in there the egg yolks, and then the sifted flour and baking powder. Now, you've got two options to flatten your cookie dough. You can do it right away between two parchment papers or chill it on your floured countertop. Cut into a thick disc, egg wash with a special egg mixture, then refrigerate cookies for about 30 minutes and cross-hatch marks with the tip of a paring knife like so, and bake in a hot oven for about 15 minutes. So beautiful and so good. Please like, share and subscribe. Ciao, ciao.